everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into Power Pivot in Excel. So if not aware, Power Pivot is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to import and analyze large data sets from multiple sources. For example, if you have any separate data sets for sales transactions and product details, the Power Pivot enables you to link them together using a common identifier like the product ID, create custom calculations with DAX like the total or average sales, and quickly generate interactive reports like the pivot tables. Basically, it simplifies the complex data analysis, making it easier to work with the large amounts of data without relying on traditional formulas and help users create meaningful insights in a more efficient and error-free way. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with everything you need to master Power Pivot. In this video, we will cover activating the Power Pivot as an Excel add-in, creating relationships between tables, calculating the profit, total profit, and more, and wrapping it up with KPIs to filter data like a pro. This video is packed with exciting and super informative tips to level up your Excel game. So, I am inside Excel, and before going to the pivot table, I have a list of data over here. I have basically three tables: the salaries, transaction, and the employee. And we can see that some columns is common, like the employee level over here, and in the salary sheet, and the level column in the employee sheet. They are the same. So let's get started with installing Power Pivot. For that, we need to go to File and then Options. And here in the add-ins, as I have already activated it, so it is in my active application add-ins. You will find it over here in the activate application add-ins if you have not activated. And you can just click over here, and in manage Excel add-ins, you can go for COM add-ins as it is a type of COM add-in. And then click on OK. So I am inside Excel, and before going to the pivot table, I have a list of data over here. I have basically three tables: the salaries, transactions, and the employee table. And we can see that we have some columns in common, like the employee level in the salaries table, and in the employee table we have a level section. These are basically the same. So let's get started with installing Power Pivot. For that, go to File and then Options. And here in the options, then you have to go to this add-ins and select Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. It is in my active application add-ins as I have already activated it. You will find it in inactivated application add-ins if you have not activated it. So you have to just click on it, and in spite of Excel add-ins, you have to go for COM add-ins as it is a type of COM add-in, and then click on Go. And when you click on Go, you will have a drop down over here. In that drop down, you have to select Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel and just click on OK. And there up in this section, you can see this Power Pivot just got available. And now we can close the file and open a new Excel file where we will do the calculations and analysis. A blank workbook. So we need to cross this. And in the new Excel file, you can click on Power Pivot and then click on Manage, and this will take you to the Power Pivot in Excel sheet. Right now we don't have any data, so let's import data from the external sources. So let's go to external data from other sources, and you just need to scroll down and you will find the Excel file over here, and then click on Next. And when you click on Next, you will get this Excel file path. Basically, you need to locate the place where you have already saved your Excel file. So click on Browse, and as I have already kept in it my downloads, I will just open this. I will tick this box as use first row as column headers and click on Next. And now you will see the three available tables over here, and I want to import all the three and hit on Finish. After it is being initiated, you can close this. And when you close this, now we can see everything is uploaded over here. We have employees, salaries, and transaction. Now that we have whole data over here, you can do the diagram view and see Let's go back to data view and try to delete this. Delete. Yeah. Now we can go to this diagram view and let's build some relationships. We can now basically connect staff ID over here with that staff ID of the transaction table. So you can just click over here and attach to this. So it has created a relationship. Same goes for the employee level. The employee level under the salaries table and this level under this employee table will connect this. So it got connected. So now that we have basically added connection, it's no longer just three tables, but one large data model. But before that, do unlock your career in data analytics with Simplilearn's Data Analyst Certification course. This comprehensive program, in collaboration with IBM, covers everything from SQL, Python, and R to data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. You will work on real-world projects, attend live sessions with industry experts, and earn certifications from both Simplilearn and IBM. Start your journey with hands-on learning, master the latest tools, and boost your career with industry-recognized credentials. Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a skilled data analyst. Check for the course link in the description box below and pinned comments. Now, we will go back to this data view and we can basically add columns if we want. As we have the selling price and the cost price, we will find out the profit. And add a column, you need to write here just equals. You have to just click the selling price minus this cost price and just click enter over here. This is basically our profit, and now we will rename this as profit. Now we have the staff ID. What if we want to know their names as well, not only their staff IDs? Now basically we will write over here equals related, and you will get a suggestion over here as related, and then if you click on enter you will get all these options. Now basically I want this employee name to be written and click enter and close this parenthesis, and finally click enter and see you have got the names. Now what about measures? Assume we want the sum of all the profit we all made. We will go down somewhere over here and select a cell, and over here I will write equals sum and click on enter and then choose profits, and I will close this parenthesis and put on enter. See, it's done. Now I can rename this as total profit as it looks good and click on enter. Definitely it will change here in the cell as well. Now we are all set to begin the analysis and click on just pivot table and then click on existing worksheet and just OK. It may seem like a normal pivot table, but it's not. We actually have three tables over here: employees, salaries, and transactions. Let's assume we want to see which employee is getting what revenue. So under employees, we will drag their names to rows. And we want the revenue that will be under the transaction table, selling price, and I will drag it to values. Then if you want to see the level they belong to, under salaries, we can often go to employee level and add it to the columns. Now it looks good. Now when you move forward, just beside these measures we have KPIs, and click on KPI, new KPI. We can have an absolute value, like for example I'll give 20,000. That is a target value basically. And I will choose this icon and I'll click on OK. Now I will clean it a bit. Okay. I will only have profit and values under it. So under the transaction, we will go to this total profit. I'll click on status and see I have got this. Anna and John is basically not doing well. They have basically failed to achieve the target and the whole team may be not doing very good. This Alex and Sam, they are basically having a not so good one, but yeah, they have passed it. And Jones too. So guys, that's a wrap. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning with Simplilearn. Thank you for watching.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.